Hello everyone, and today we're here for Lisa Rockstar makeup tutorial. So this is inspired look and I use Profusion palette for this one, and I apply white shimmer eyeshadow all over my lid and to the corners. For the next step, I'm using black eye pencil and start drawing the double eyeliner. For this makeup, I'm trying to go with parallel lines. With the same eye pencil, I'm filling my waterline. And if you have a cat, you'll just get me right here because I love her so much. But we are just in the middle of creation, so now I'm adding a little bit of this pinky shimmer eyeshadow. Then I'm working with my eyeliner and just blend it a little bit to the outside of my eye. I'll be honest with you, I'm not the person who gets crazy about new mascara, so I'm using just something I found on my table. And for this makeup, I finally opened this one. This one was from Sheglam, and this glitter was so good. I think applying gems was the longest part of this makeup. And first I make a spot with the glue and just put gems on top. Small case for highlighter, and here we go. This was really simple, quite quick, but I really like this one. So see you soon, and remember that you're already beautiful.